plus 1/2. 2/3 plus 1/2. Now what we're going to have to do is, these are going to have to become like denominators, or we're going to have to change each denominator. Now for here we're going to multiply the fraction 2/3 by 2/2, and then we're going to multiply the fraction 1/2 by 3/3. Now the way you multiply fractions is by the following. Now that's the form to multiply two fractions. Basically, you multiply all the numbers in the numerator's position by each other and place that in the results of the numerator in the right side of the equation. Then you multiply all the terms in the denominator's position. Your multiplications take the form in order from left to right. So you start by so in the numerators you multiply A by C, and you put that product in the result of the right side of the equation in the numerator's position. Then you multiply all the numbers on the bottom in the denominator's position by each other, and you place that in the position. That's how you multiply fractions. So we want to change the denominator 2/3, or we want to change the denominators of both fractions so that we can deal with them as their like terms, meaning 6 is the lowest common denominator. Meaning that multiplying 2 by 3 gives us 6. See, 2/3 is, if I draw a circle, and I divide this one into thirds, and I color this portion in, if I have 1/2 and I color in 1/2 of that portion. It's 2/3 plus 1/2. So how many thirds is the total? And how many halves is the total? So the concern is here that these are not like terms, because I could say because one of these thirds is equal to just one of these shaded areas, and 1/2 is equal to a larger portion than that 1/3. So if we combine the two by addition, we wouldn't be able to distinguish what unit it is, meaning is it a third or a half, because the area of 1/2 is larger than 1/3, than the area of 1/3. The area is the space in between the perimeter. So what we have to do is bring this into like terms. 2/3 multiplied by 1 equals 2/3. Remember that if I multiply a number by 1, we do not change the number. So here, multiplying 2/3 by 2/2 is like multiplying by 1. We multiply both the denominator and the numerator by, we're multiplying, what we're doing here is multiplying both the denominator and the numerator of 2/3 by the denominator of 1/2. Because by doing so, we produce 6, which is the lowest common denominator. Now this is going to come out to 2 times 2 over 3 times 2. Which is 4/6. 4/6. So 2/3 is equal to 4/6. Now here for 1/2, now for 1/2,